When we start BrightAuthor, we should be directed to this screen with a blank presentation. From here, I can go to File, and I will open one of my existing presentations. That way all the settings are already there. So I'm going to choose the American flag loop and select Open. On the left-hand side, we can see that our media library is this folder here. And inside this folder is all of the videos and images that I have available. If I want to change the folder that I'm looking at, I can select the Browse button, and I can navigate to a different place on my computer. Let's say my Pictures folder, and I'm going to hit OK. And now it shows me all of the videos and images inside of my Pictures folder. If I want to add in one of these pictures here, I simply click and drag, and now it has been added to the playlist. If I want to delete something, I select it and press the delete key on my keyboard. I can drag in videos and pictures at the same time. To specify how long each of these pictures is on here, I simply double click. And then it tells me how long it will be on the screen for in seconds and how it will transition in. Will it just start? Will it fade in? Will it swipe in? And how long that transition is. So I could put 30, hit OK, and now this picture will be on the screen for 30 seconds. If I double click the second one, it will be on the screen for 6 seconds, and it will just snap and there'll be no transition. But from here I could do a image wipe from top for 5 seconds. And so this one, when it fades in, it will fade in from the top down, so I can do transitions between images. Again, if I want to remove them, I can simply hit delete. I'm going to change my folder back to one that has some videos. So I'm going to select the videos folder. And I'm just going to select this video here. With a video added, if I double click it, I do not have the time on screen, because as soon as the video ends, it will loop back or progress to the next picture. So the videos will be on the screen for as long as the video is, and the pictures, if I double click, I can select the time on screen. If I have just a single picture, it will stay on there indefinitely, and if I have just a single video, that will just loop indefinitely. So let's say that this is the video that I want. I am now going to go up the top left, and I'm going to File, Save As. And here I'm going to save it as New Video and hit Save. To show this onto the projector, I'm going to move to the Publish tab, and this here is the schedule. By default, it'll put my presentation to be 24/7, all day, every day. What I'll want to do is go up to my Schedule tab up the top here, and I want to open up one of my existing schedules. In this case, I'm going to select the wall projector schedule and hit open. Here we have the pre-built schedule for the wall projector. If I zoom this in, scroll down, it's hard to see, but here at the top I have a projector on presentation. This is just a black image, but it sends the command to turn the projector on. Then next at 8 a.m., too far. At 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. I'm playing the 8 a.m. to 5:30 I'm playing the American flag loop, and then at 5:30 I turn the projectors back off. If I want to change what's playing throughout the day here, I can simply select one of these American flag loops and hit delete, and that is now gone. Up the top left, I have all of the presentations that are inside of this particular folder. I have that new video presentation that I made, and I can simply click and drag. And that has now added it to be 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. on Monday the 11th. I can drag to change how long the video will play. But if I wanted it to play over multiple days, I'm going to double click this video. So when I double click it, here I have the options to change how this acts. So I could select all day, every day, which would be 24/7. Here I could change it, and I can do this drop down, or I can type in, 8:25 till 2:30 p.m. And I could make this a 1 day. So if I hit OK, this will only happen once on the 11th. If I double click it, I could change it to be reoccurring. And if I change it to be reoccurring, I could have it be daily for every day. I could have it daily to be every weekday, which would be Monday through Friday, or every weekend. Or I could set a custom weekly where it could be every Monday and Wednesday, or Monday and Friday. So I'm going to do daily, every weekday. It's going to start on the 11th, and it has no end date. So this would be every weekday for the indefinite future until something else happens. And if I hit OK, this video will now play 8:25 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. every single day of the week. If I wanted to have this video here and at noon play the American flag, I could simply come back to my American flag presentation, and I can drag this back. It now says that there's a scheduling conflict. Depending what I want to do, I could keep existing and cancel, so not add this. I could keep the existing and adjust the new, remove existing and use new, or what I want to do is interrupt existing event. And if I hit OK, now we'll see that Monday is split into 2 days, and this American flag will interrupt that new video, play for an hour, and then will return back to that new video. So this way I can insert it into a specific time. And again, if I want this to happen every single day, I'm going to double click it, make it a recurring event every weekday, hit OK, and now every day at 11 a.m. that American flag will play for an hour and then return back to my new video or my logo. If I'm happy with this schedule, I can go up to the top left here, and I can do a save or a save as, just so that I have a copy of the schedule. Otherwise, down over here in the publish area, with the networked unit selected, there should be both of your projectors here. There should be a wall projector and your floor projector. You would simply select which one you want to publish to and select publish. That will upload it to the projector and start playing. If I return back to the Edit tab and I have not saved the schedule, it'll stay there. But again, I really do like to save my schedules just so that I can reopen them at any time. Especially, I've made this for the wall, And then if I'm flip-flopping between changing the wall projector and the floor projector, I don't want to have to keep changing all the settings every time. I'd like to just go up to schedule, hit open, select the floor projector, and then, this is the schedule for the floor projector.